I've been a failure, I've been a success. I'm like a diamond, I shine under pressure.
Allow
Crime, yeah, I learned all my lessons. I realize I gotta kill all my blessings. I'm working hard every day to be a better man. Practice makes
I am called Dhalsim. I walk the path of yoga. In changing times such as these, there are many who stray from their path. Guiding those who are led astray is but one of yoga's many purposes. To that end, I have fought many battles myself. Conflict waged so that conflict might be avoided. This contradiction is one I have yet to resolve. I, too, am led astray. Yet I will fight on all the same, with yoga as my guide.
Kenya!
Shall we begin?
I'm ready to go.
Round one. Fight!
Shall we begin?
Time to erase you.
Round one. Fight. Go. Yoga.
Bang in my masterwork!
This is the power of a yoga master.
Round two. Fight. Dhalsim wins! USA. Make it a scrap heap! Fight! You go! USA.
Shall we begin?
Time for a beatdown. Round one. Fight. Round two. Fight. strength. Round 1. Fight!
This is the power of a yoga master.
Round 2. Fight! Dhalsim wins! Russia.
Shall we begin?
I'll take on all of you! Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight! wins! USA. Carry the ball. Fight. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Good. Keep that way. Keep it up. Don't worry. China.
Shall we begin?
I'm not gonna lose.
Round 1. Fight.
You are coming. You're fired. You're fired. You come. Go. You come. You come. You come. You're fired. You can play. You come. You can come. You're fired. You come. So. You come.
Keep talking!
You come. You can play. You're fired. You come. So.
KO.
This is the power of a yoga master.
Round 2. Fight.
You can come. You're fired. So.
Keep going!
You're fired. You're fired. So. You're fired. You come. You can come. You're fired. You can come. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
Shut it awaits. KO. Dhalsim wins. France.
Shall we begin?
Prepare.
Round 1. Fight.
You're fired. You're fired. Shall we begin?
Bring the heat! Round one. Fight! Dhalsim wins! Mexico.
I sense an incredible power. Has it simply been dormant this whole time? Much is yet unclear. This bears investigation.
Are you some kind of spirit? My name is Lily Hawk. I'm a Thunderfoot warrior.
I am no spirit. I am Dhalsim, a monk.
Something about you reminds me of Singing Wolf. Do you have a message for me or something?
A message? I suppose I do. I am brought here by a desire to better know your strength.
Does that mean you're looking to fight? Works for me. I'm game.
Shall we begin?
My pleasure.
Round one. Fight!
Let's see this power of yours.
You are a fine warrior, Dhalsim. Here we go. Jeez, that was close.
Round two. Fight!
Wings. Here we go.
Good fortune.
Lily wins! Nine!
Let us pray together to Agni. Shall we begin?
My pleasure.
Round one.
Let go.
The voice of this spirit, only I can hear it.
Round two. Fight.
You are a fine You want to see what I'm capable
This is the power of a yoga master.
Final round. Fight. Lily wins! 9.
Let us pray together to Agni.
Round 1. Fight.
Let's see this power of yours.
Here we go!
This is the power of a yoga master.
Round 2. Fight.
You are a fine warrior, Dhalsim.
The power of yoga. Futile to resist. I sense new evil within you.
Dhalsim wins!
Whoa, you can float? Are you sure you're not a spirit? This definitely looks like something a spirit would do.
A tranquil breeze cradles this child. The power I felt before is no more.
Hey, Dhalsim, maybe you should meet Singing Wolf. I have no idea what you're talking about, but I bet the two of you'd be on the same wavelength.
Very well. That power seemed to be the Satsui no Hado. Was it simply a trick of the senses? Perhaps in this case, I should hope I was mistaken.